Have you tried shrooms?
Oh, you know what? No, I have not. But
That's one.
I've had a lot of friends tell me that I should microdose so that I can I guess tap into some trauma or some shit and cry it out.
No, microdosing wouldn't do that. Just do a dose. But
I'm afraid.
Yeah, you should be. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Because you don't come out the same person, and that is the ego, right? Like when your ego is assaulted, when it changes, like fear is the natural response. The same way as if you were gonna die, right? Like that's quite literally a physical destruction of your ego, like a bullet going through your brain. Someone points a gun at you. You think your ego thinks, "Fuck, I am going to die. I'm about to go. Don't do it. I have so much to live for. I have my wife and kids. I have my anime, right? I haven't watched that film.
Anime.
Right.
The self.
But,
yes, yeah.
But in the same way, when you're about to do a psychedelic, your ego's going to tell you, "Hey, man, do you want to go crazy? What are you going to do? You're going to take drugs and go crazy? You're going to stop being you?" And
Right, yeah. Right.
That's the threat. And you will stop being you in a way. You will change. It'll be you plus, right? You will change. But it requires feeling like you are going to die. But it's only in your head, right?
Yeah, dude. I mean, I've heard about it. Like everything you described, I had a friend who was gonna, he's encouraged me to get into that. He did it, and I've heard other people do it
in a safe environment.
Yeah, and the reason why I have a particular hesitancy, not just because of the obvious kind of ego resistance that is natural. When I was younger, I used to smoke a lot of weed, and I mixed. Weed never made me feel like that. I had very bad trips. So I did meth, crystal meth, and I did cocaine. So I mixed a bunch of shit. I mixed psychiatric medication, packs. I mixed anxiety medication with weed and alcohol and meth occasionally. So there was a point when I was younger, in my 20s, dude, where I didn't sleep for a week. There was a week where I didn't sleep at all, night after night. And I went to a place mentally where I was losing my mind. I was I couldn't feel, and I felt like I was alive, but I didn't
understand.
I didn't have so I'm very scared of losing control with this shit,
Okay. You have almost more to fear because you've almost sort of, again, traumatized yourself within the context of mind-altering substances. So I don't blame you for equivocating a psychedelic experience.
Dude, I've had a panic attack. I've had a panic attack when I was high. When I was at home by myself, and I just kept walking back and forth. I had 1,000 thoughts a second. It almost feels like your mind is thinking so fast.
I take it back. I actually take it back. Don't do shrooms. Don't do any drugs. Do meditation.
So yes, to me that is far more that's what I need. I need to calm my brain. It struggles to be in the present moment a lot of the times.
Yeah.